Hey product enthusiasts, welcome back to Top 5 to Buy, where we unveil a lineup that's sure to impress. We've done the heavy lifting for you by researching product price and quality, so check out the description below for links to more details on each product and exclusive offers. Let's dive right in. Number 5, EasyThread X1 FDM Mini 3D Printer. This printer is perfect for beginners and kids. Its straightforward setup allows you to start printing right out of the box. With a plug-and-play approach, even those new to 3D printing can enjoy this user-friendly device. This 3D printer boasts high precision thanks to its professional all-metal nozzle and 0.5mm layer resolution. The dual fans ensure even heat distribution for faster, more consistent prints. The printer's compact design makes it suitable for various settings, including classrooms and dorm rooms. Leveling is crucial, so follow the provided guide carefully. Enjoy efficient, fast heating with the nozzle reaching 180 degrees in just 5 minutes. Plus, it's compatible with multiple operating systems, making it versatile for everyone. 4 Wido Tina 2 3D printers. For kids and beginners, the Wido Tina 2 is a hassle-free choice. It arrives fully assembled, ready for immediate use. The Cartesian structure with dual linear Z-axes ensures reliable, fast, and precise printing. Auto bed leveling eliminates the need for manual adjustments thanks to the proximity sensor. No more struggling to level the bed. It's done automatically. The magnetic build plate simplifies print removal, eliminating the need for a scraper. This 3D printer's compact design makes it suitable for small spaces like dorm rooms and classrooms. With easy setup and user-friendly features, it's an ideal choice for those new to 3D printing. 3 Creality Official Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer. Elevate your 3D printing game with the Creality Official Ender 3 Max Neo 3D Printer. Boasting a larger build volume than the regular Creality Ender 3, it's perfect for printing larger models or multiple small parts simultaneously. Efficiency is key, and this printer delivers with its CR Touch auto leveling feature, ensuring an even print surface. The full metal extruder provides durability and better extrusion force for smoother printing. Assembly is a breeze with 96% factory pre-installation. You can start printing in just 3 simple steps. Plus, Creality's exceptional customer service and technical assistance guarantee a smooth experience. 2 Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro FD M3D Printer. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is a user-friendly 3D printer designed to meet the needs of most users. With its large printing size, it's perfect for various projects. The printer's silent stepper motors reduce noise to as low as 47 to 48 decibels, ensuring a quiet printing environment. The dual-gear direct drive extruder offers smoother filament feeding and fewer nozzle clogging issues. Auto mesh bed leveling and smart resume printing enhance the printing experience. With easy setup and high-quality components, this 3D printer is a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced users. 1 Official Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The official Creality Ender 3 3D printer is a reliable choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. It features a resume printing function, allowing you to continue printing even after a power interruption. Assembly is quick and straightforward, with most parts pre-assembled. The upgraded extruder minimizes plugging risks and ensures smooth, noiseless movement. The printer's power supply heats the bed to 110 degrees in just 5 minutes, saving you time. Plus, rigorous testing of key components and lifetime technical support provide peace of mind for your 3D printing journey. So that concludes our exploration of these top products. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to show your support by quickly liking and subscribing. Also, dive into the description below for links to explore these products further and secure your own at fantastic prices. Thanks for being a part of Top 5 to Buy. Until next time, my friends.